In today's video, I am bringing you a trading strategy that uses two exponential moving averages, EMA, weighted moving averages, WMA, and the RSI indicator. The strategy can be used for forks in the time frame of 15 minutes or more. In my case, I will use it in the euro-dollar in the time frame of 15 minutes. Basically, the strategy is best suited for intraday trading, but if the trend is very strong, the position can remain open for several days. The first thing we will have to do is select this indicator called 5 moving averages, which has several moving averages of different types in a single indicator. The first one we will set to 16, and we will put a 2 because it will be an exponential moving average. The second one we will set to 30, and we will also put a 2 on it because it will be an exponential moving average. The third we will set it to 12, and we will put a 3 because it will be a weighted moving average. And the fourth we'll set it to 5 and we'll set it to 3 because it's also going to be a weighted moving average. As for the colors and thicknesses, we will put the following. As a second indicator, we will add the RSI. We will set this RSI to 19. We will deactivate the moving average, the background, and the upper and lower band. Before I start trading, I have to clarify that two red moving averages form a range that points to the beginning and end of the trend line. Two weighted averages indicate the entry and exit points of the market. A position should be open when the range is narrow or when its limits are crossed. In the case of wanting to carry out a buy operation, we will carry it out when the green and black moving averages cross from the bottom up to the two red moving averages, and also the RSI is above 50. We will put our stop loss below the last low, and our take profit when the black moving average crosses any of the red moving averages. In the case of wanting to carry out a sell operation, we will carry it out when the green and black moving averages cross from above to below the two red moving averages, and also the RSI is below 50. We will place our stop loss above the last high and our take profit when the black moving average crosses any of the red moving averages. And ready. I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.